That was awkward. But whatever, just trying to get that. Oh. Hey guys, it's me, Sarah, and today I am going to be doing a video. My voice sounds a little weird. You may be wondering why there's a chair on a chair. I don't know, I was trying to do something at an angle. It's not working that well. I am going to go through what I have from Christmas. I haven't unpacked it, and I'm gonna put it it's in little containers. I don't know. But so then I can organize it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah. This is the wool from Great Wolf Lodge. That's not actually part of it. Yeah, why is it so dark? Like this. It looks so crazy. Okay, so if it looks creepy, it's light in my room. If it's down, yes it is. Now it's creepy when my room's like light and now it's dark. So item number one, I'm gonna close my eye. Wait, you know what? I'm not gonna close my eyes. That's stupid. It's not a challenge or whatever. So I have this tube. It was for like this head scratcher. What you can use, hold on, let me here. I'm gonna actually try to sit up here. Oh, this is such a better view. Okay, so what you get whatever little duct tape you want, and you get this tiny little tube I have. Like, you can get one that circle like this. So what I'll do, I'll go get these scissors, cut the bottom. Being honest, I haven't tried these at all. So once I do a DIY, I just try them. Okay. So actually cutting this is pretty hard. So I pretty much would like to use this microphone, but I guess I sold it to Goodwill. Oh, and if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. I really like that. My birthday was yesterday. I posted a video. I didn't post videos like 2 days ago because I was at Great Wolf Lodge. So once you just have this one thing, this used to be head scratcher. So you have this. You grab like the thickest tape you have right now, and then I'm just going to do this one pattern. There will be a part 2 because most of this might be just me taping it. Oh no! I hate when this happens. It just now ripped had enough with you. Okay, so you go, right now, if your tape rips, you go undo it, and then you try to line it up. What is that? You try to line it up. This is so fail. New plan. I call. Okay. I'm now getting this tape, I guess. You know what? Whatever. So you get a tape you could put around. I'm just getting to the main thing. Now I have some fabric because I like sewing. So I'm grabbing all the fabric out of these bags. And some actually I need to fold. Pretty much I have this much. Oh. So I'm pretty much sitting on a chair. Awkward. What's this? Yeah, it kind of helps. Oh no. My neighbors are out. They can see me. So grab this. Oh, sorry, I was looking at someone. I thought they were staring at me. Creepy. You grab a fabric. You could fold it. Try to fold it kind of small because it won't work that good. Okay, so I have this fabric right here. You pretty much grab it, put it on this one, on a space, and you roll it into this one little ball. Then you could grab the tube and just shove it in. This is one of the ways just to keep it organized. You could wrap it around the tube and stuff. So now I'm going to do it to the rest of mine. It's not fitting. And if it's not fitting, you might need like a long one to go on the other side. Or if you don't have like a head scratcher and you take the head scratcher out, you can just use a little toilet, like empty toilet roll. Okay, so now I am going to try to redo it, I guess. Still, it's never gonna work. So actually, another way to do it is to grab two fabric, lay one fabric out, and again roll it, and then roll it with it. This is actually another way to do it, but it might not fit. Really. Okay. So, it's not fitting. Awkward. So, still, you could just roll it up. I'm so mad right now. Just put it in, and there, you're done. Number 2. Let me see. What can I do? I literally don't know. So I might just end the video and I might do another video, set up some things that actually might be good for my background. So yeah. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and I will see you later. I hope you enjoy. So bye. Oops.